coffee ready right now. Yeah, you want to make sure the coffee don't overflow. Now, what I need to grab it. Let me use this rag right here. Turn off the fire, safety reasons. Yeah, you can hear it, how hot it is. And we pour it in there. There's not a lot. Usually, with the size of this thing, it's really meant for one person, not for two people. But I can make it work. And then now we're going to use the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Because that's going to make up more of it, really. Let me ask my mom if she would like some. Mom?
Yes.
Would you like some of the new Cinnamon Toast Crunch?
Very little.
Very little of it? She wants very little. So, here you can see it. There we go. And then I got I need to use a different spoon to prevent cross-contamination. And spin it together. And now you have the ideal espresso. And now me and my mom are going to drink these and we're going to see how it tastes.
It's like...
You can really taste the cinnamon in this. I'll say this is pretty good. This was a success for me. How about you, Mai?
I love this because I love cinnamon.
Yes, and Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Well, thank you. Like and subscribe. And follow me.
And it has a strong cinnamon flavor to it.
It does. Well, thank you. Like and subscribe.
Pardon me.
Like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at elite.exotic.essentials.ceo. I'll put it in the description. Have a nice day.